You can add a mobile information bar that displays your business information in a banner at the bottom of your site when viewing it on a mobile device. This gives visitors quick access to your contact information on the go. To enable or disable it, navigate to the Mobile Information Bar panel. When enabling it, you can choose a light or dark color scheme. You can show an email address, phone number, business location, and business hours. Click Save. If you need to update any of this information, click the Edit link in the panel. Update the Business Information panel, then click Save and close the panel. When you're satisfied with the Mobile Information Bar's appearance and function, click Save. It's a good idea to open your site on a mobile device to confirm it's working as you expect. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.